Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to master Garmin Connect for cycling in 2025, starting right away with device setup. Once your Garmin cycling computer or smartwatch is fully charged and powered on, simply open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Navigate directly to the Devices section, usually found under More or a dedicated icon. From there, follow the clear, step-by-step instructions to effortlessly pair your new cycling device. This initial pairing ensures all your ride data automatically syncs for a seamless experience. Once your ride is complete and synced, Garmin Connect becomes your ultimate data hub. You'll immediately see a comprehensive overview of your activity, including total distance covered, average speed, and overall ride time. Dive deeper to analyze crucial metrics like your average heart rate, peak power output, and cadence throughout the ride. The platform visually represents these statistics with intuitive graphs and charts, helping you understand your performance at a glance. You can even customize which data appears first on your activity summaries. Garmin Connect excels at helping you discover and plan your next cycling adventure. The integrated course creator allows you to effortlessly design new routes, whether you're exploring unfamiliar areas or sticking to tried-and-true paths. You can also browse countless user-generated routes and popular segments within your vicinity. Once your ideal route is chosen, simply sync it to your Garmin cycling computer. Your device will then provide precise, turn-by-turn navigation, ensuring you stay on track and never miss a turn. Beyond just raw data, Garmin Connect offers powerful analytical tools to truly understand your cycling performance. It provides insights into your training load, helping you avoid overtraining and ensuring adequate recovery. You'll see estimates of your VO2 max and FTP, critical metrics for fitness assessment. The platform also diligently tracks all your personal records, celebrating your achievements across various distances and power zones. Regularly reviewing these trends allows you to refine your training plan effectively and see your progress clearly. Garmin Connect is more than just a personal tracking tool, it's a vibrant community. You can easily share your latest rides, achievements, and photos with friends directly through the app. Participate in various cycling challenges to add a fun, competitive edge to your training, earning badges and bragging rights. Connect with fellow cyclists, follow their progress, and leave encouraging comments on their activities. Plus, for those who use other platforms, you can seamlessly export all your ride data to popular apps like Strava for even broader social engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.